First Global organizes a yearly international robotics challenge to ignite a passion for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics among the more than 2 billion youths across the world. This year, 2019, teams will compete to develop a robot that cleans pollutants from the ocean and will also learn about real-world challenges related to cleaning up the world's oceans. First Global invites each country to send a team to compete in the Robotics Olympics, which takes place in a different nation each year. However, Belon Codes, an initiative that enhances learning robotics, got the chance to train a young Somali team aged 14 through 18 years to learn the robotics science and represent Somali national team for that interesting event. This team and their mentor created their robot from scratch. Designing and constructing was new learning for them. Here is Lido Beach. The ocean is important for all of us. It produces over 70% of the world's oxygen that we breathe, provides us with food, entertainment, and on top of all of that, it's just plain beautiful. Somalia has the longest coastline on the mainland of Africa, with a seaboard that's 2,071 miles. And every year, tons of pollutants generated by human activity make their way into the ocean, negatively affecting marine life and local populations. This team and their robot came here to show their talent about robotics and artificial intelligence, which is rarely subject in the Horn of Africa nation, as well as raising awareness to preserve our oceans and wildlife.